gang with me.
Yeah, we have a little like midget dance.
Midget gang.
Don't worry, I'm literally one of them. Asian. We're like the Asian. Oh, you
What do you say?
fragile. And see.
Don't disrupt them.
It's so good already.
What do you next to it? Huh?
This is what you know how I'm doing. Russian roulette. And then practice it with you guys.
That's my favourite part, you know.
I'm so good at that. That's right. You can breathe. Oh, you get so much.
Oh my god. How many postcards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god.
Being careful with my chair. The stickers are so oh, okay.
Guys, it's real. It's real. Danielle! Honey! And the CD. Stop, it's so cute.
Oh, is this for your like vlog?
Oh my god.
Hi guys.
Oh my god. Look at the stickers.
The stickers are so cute. They're so visible. You get what I mean? So that's a lyric.
I'm overwhelmed by. Oh my god.
You get so many. You should give them to me. Oh, there's messages on it. Yeah, but it's in Korean. You can translate.
Go.
Maybe which one's the front? Okay, I can read the names.
Dear Bunny.
This one's Haley.
No, they say it on.
Honey. Haley. Daniel.
Because some of them have like dear from you just translate the names for me. You just translate the names. Stop, because they're literally gonna go all around my room.
It's supposed to be sent all around the world.
Huh?
They're supposed to be sent all around.
My room is my world.
Oh my god, mother, she actually, guys, this woman gave birth to me. What the hell? She's so, the blush is so cute. Look how cute the blush is. You know, I'm gonna get you like a fish bag or body bag.
You have to.
Oh, this is the CD. What's the CD?
Huh?
I said the digital concept. You get so much for $16.99.
Exactly.
What's all those gonna be for?
They're all postcards.
Really?
All of them.
You can just give them on people's birthday.
No, I'm keeping them.
That's what I do. This is so fun. Why is it so fun? It's locked.
Oh my god. Hannah, this is real.
Sister. She's my older sister.
Hannah, this is real.
I was in her womb.
Go for it.
You got 5, that's so many. I get 1 in my tasty ones.
I'm getting one of my Mexican
I
ones.
wouldn't know 5, so I think it comes with like, I think 15.
15. Because she's got the big one.
Yeah.
I'm not going to get it to American one with like 3 of them.
Yeah?
So I'm such a tired.
I know you didn't tell me, because there's 5 of you guys. So which 5 of you taking in position?
5 of what?
Because there's 5 people in Russian, like 5 people in Russian.
Oh, okay.
And they tell me,
Oh, yeah. Right, let's start learning. So like, yeah, let's go. Hey guys, I'm home. It's been like, I don't even know how long it's been since I filmed the first part, but that was literally such the chaotic version of the unboxing. This Mama collected have to understand everything I got version of the unboxing. So I'm gonna go through everything I got. I haven't even closed it. I'm gonna go through everything I got in my New Jeans OMG album that I ordered the 10th of March. So yeah, we're gonna do an organised version of the unboxing and show you every single part of everything I got. Let's go. So first I have photo cards. They come with 5 and they come with each person. I'll show you like the laid out version and everything else. But it comes with and Minji and Honey and Danielle and Taylor. These are my first cards I got, and I'm literally so excited to get first card holders. I'm gonna get a little bit so I can put in, because if this comes with 5, then God knows how many the other one comes in. So I'm gonna get those different ones and then have one. But I'm really happy with all I got. So yeah, those first cards. Move on to the next part of the album. Next we have the stickers. They come with 2 sheets of stickers and they have all their names on there. They're Danielle, Hyan, Heron and Hanny's there and Minji's there, and they have like loads of lyrics on it. They have OMG, my heart is going, and I think I saw Ditto on one there. Ditto, my heart is going up. It's actually so cute. And the little bunny everywhere. And they have those all the new things. But I don't know, I feel like when I get the photo card holder, the little books thing, I'll put like the stickers on the front and then put all the photo cards in it. So here's the stickers, and let's move on to the next part of what's in the lyric book. So there's OMG on one side and then just on the other side. And it is creepy because in my excitement of opening it in the previous like clip when I was at school, they did kind of dent it, but has all the lyrics written down. All the lyrics. And then on the other side where it says Ditto, that's right, all the lyrics for Ditto. So cool. But I am annoyed at that little Fenty rippy that. But it's okay because it still looks great. But I don't know if I'm going to put it up because right now I'm in the process of changing up my room. The room is a mess right now. This side doesn't actually my room, but it's actually my stuff. So when I put everything up, I feel like this or the CD when I show it to you. I've got it up somewhere on a shelf nicely. But that is the that's the lyric bit. Now I'm going to move on. Oh, the CD. I'm literally you've already seen it. You've literally seen all of these, but this is just more of an organised version. Look at how stitchy. Oh my god, it's got all 5 bunnies. It's got Ditto, it's got Needles, OMG. It's got little hearts and little like swirly stars. It's so cute. I've got to get a CD player so I can play those really pretty ones. Yeah, and it's got OMG on this side and it's got Ditto on this side. So this comes with, in the CD it has OMG and Ditto on the tracks. So yeah, now I'm going to move on to the photo book. In love. It's so pretty. Whoa. I'm so happy with this. I can't even explain. it's such white 90s Y2K vibe. Like they really hit it. And like the camera quality is I love it so much. Literally obsessed. But yeah, I feel like this is definitely gonna go up with the lyric book when I put it up, when I sort out this room. But yeah, move on to the final part. I think this is the final part, so I didn't actually check, you know, if everything else, but there are literally, I didn't count how many there were when I was looking it up. There are 10 zillion postcards. So many, like, so many. Can I even count? So many. Yeah, they have so much stuff on them. And you can literally write your own postcard to someone. So if I was feeling, oh my god, if I was feeling very, very generous, I'd give it to my friends. I'd send a postcard to my friends. Like, it depends on the season, like, because this is giving Christmas. And then, okay, maybe they're all giving Christmas. Yeah, that's definitely like a Christmassy winter photo card. Like, I think I picked this one up. I need pink one, but when I sort out my room, one of these is definitely gonna go in. But I don't know which one. Literally my table, it's just a thing, it's just a mess because there's so much. But I'll show you this. This is what it came in, but I really want to keep it. I really want to keep it because it has omg on the front with everyone, and then it has ditto. It has ditto on the back with everyone. That's why I ring that. But throw away. Maybe I'll put all of these in the box and just put it up. But yeah, I literally just came to the end of filming and I realised that every single one of the postcards are numbered. I laid them all out to take a photo and all of them are numbered. I don't know what the number goes up to, but maybe it means something. I'm gonna start digging. I found 22, but I don't know what the biggest number is. But literally all of them are numbered. I'm gonna go through, and I'll probably put in the description of this video. But literally all of them are numbered. I need to put them all in order. I'm so excited. Oh my god, what was it for my first ever kpop album unboxing? Hope you guys enjoyed. I think the first part with the unboxing at school was more chaotic and more enjoyable because I was just going crazy about everything. And that's when I was doing rehearsals for my multicultural festival. Hopefully you guys will see more. Hopefully if I can access and get that in film when it happens, ages away. But I'll show you like the clips, everything on the table, and I think I might do a really fascinating thing. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'm still with for every launch that I have and every other launch that I have. Imagine as a bunny, as a sleigh, as anything else. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.